Hello friends, here we are going to discuss about how to remove a duplicate element from a sorted linked list. Consider a linked list having the element 11, then 12 is there, again 12 is there, again 12 is there, after that we have 13 and then 14. Now I want to remove the duplicate from this linked list. That is, I am expecting this 12 should be removed from our linked list and linked list should be displayed as 11, 12, 13 and 14. Okay, so to remove this 12 from this linked list, I will consider two pointers. The name is previous and current. So previous pointer is pointing to my start and my current pointer is pointing to the start next, that is nothing but a 12. So every time when I go for traversing this linked list, I will try to update the P and C accordingly. So if duplicates are there, we need to remove that duplicate from the linked list and we need to adjust these two pointers. So how this adjustment will be done? So first, when your current is not reaches to the null, I will travel a rule. That was the first point. Now, if the situation arises when your previous data and current data is matched, it is equal. That is nothing but currently it is 11 and it is 12. So there is a no match. But if it is both are 12, in that case the data is matched. So currently this condition will be false. So we will go to the else part. If there is a no match with previous and current, in that scenario, I will update the previous with current value and I will update the current with the current next. That means I will update this previous value with current value, that is nothing but 12, and I will update my current to the current next, that is nothing but it is currently pointing to this 12 value. So now again my while loop will run, my current is not null, so it will go inside and it will again check for the if condition. So if previous data is equal to current data, so now you can check previous data is 12 as well as current data is 12. So in that case, what task I need to perform? That is, I need to remove this 12 from my linked list. Okay. If I want to remove this 12 from the linked list, in that case, I need to create a link from this 12 to this next 12. So for that, I have written one statement, that is previous next is equal to current next. Is nothing but previous next value is nothing but current next. So I can read this current as a current next, right? So this previous next equal to current next. That means the link from this 12 to this 12 is created. So after this link is created, I need to update the current as well as the previous value. But you observe that I deleted this 12. So no need to update this previous value. I need to update just current one. So here I have just updated the current to the next value. So it is current is equal to current next. So this statement is given here. So now you can think that if two elements are equal, in that case we have to just create a link from previous next to the current next. And second thing, I just need to update the current value. So now you can think that your current is goes from this to this location. Your previous still pointing to the 12 and your current is pointing to next 12, which is after deletion of this 12. Now again my while loop will run. Again I will check previous data with current data. Again it will match. So in that case again what happened? I want to remove this 12 from my linked list. So for that scenario, I will make a connection from previous next. So previous next is currently this 12, but I want to remove it. So previous next become 13. So how to read this 13? 13 is nothing but current next value. So that we can go for the statement previous next is equal to current next. So again, after removing this 12, I need to update the current value. So I will update the current value to this location. So now your elements are 11, 12, 13 and 14 in your linked list. Again your while loop will run. Your current is not null, it is pointing to 13. I will check if your previous data is matched with the current data. So your previous data is 12 and current data is 13. It is not matching. So it will goes to the else part. In else part, what happened? We are going to set a previous with current value. So your previous will be removed from this location. It will be set with the current value, that is nothing but the 13. And your current is updated with the statement current is equal to current next. So it will points to the next location, that is nothing but the 14. Again your while loop run, you can check your current value is not null. So in that case your loop will again executed. You check for your previous data is matched with the current data. It will not match. So you will go for the else part. In else part your previous value is updated from this location to this location. And your current is updated to the current next, that is nothing but 14 next, and which is nothing but the null. So if you go for the next iteration, your current is set to the null. So you will come out of the while loop. So now you check what elements are left in your linked list are nothing but 11, 12, 13 and 14. And that was the expected output in case of removing duplicate from a single linked list if your single linked list is in a sorted form. Hope so. You clear the concept of how to remove the duplicate from a sorted single linked list. I will run the code. I will first create a linked list. So elements are 11. Again I will add 22. I want to create a duplicate, so I will add 22. Again third time I will add 22. Again fourth time I will add 22 only. Again after that I will add 33. After that I will add 33. Again I will add 44. After that I will add 55. Okay. Now I will stop adding the data into the linked list. I will first display the linked list. So it is holding around 9 elements. So I will perform a duplicate removal operation, that is nothing but the third option. I will check a display function. So now you can check, this is your first duplicate element list which is given as the input to function, and it will give the output as 11, 22, 33 and 44. Hope so it is clear to you. If you still not subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.